Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started towards the unboxing of the Andris Racold Andris 10 geyser of 10 liters. You can see the box piece and this is being delivered from Amazon. So here let's unbox it. So whenever you open it, you can see this type of things inside. So once we remove it, you can see the geyser and it is packed very well, and here you can see the manual inside, and this is to three types of bands in Andres, and you can check the manuals in a brief so that whenever you buy you will understand what they sent you in a box. So this is for minimum and maximum temperature, and blue is for cold water and red is for hot water. You can remove it easily, and the caps are provided, which is good. And here you can see the details like 2 kilowatt watt and also capacity of 10 liters and other power supply details. And here you can easily put it on the wall. That's it guys.